of this color and this color. Okay, so you can see that it's going to be really this region here. Okay, everything in that region here will satisfy these two inequalities. Okay, so that's how you do a compound inequality. So there are multiple shadings, and then the final shading is going to be kind of solid, so it stands out and one knows what the result is. Okay. All right, is there another example after this? It's always never enough, is there? Okay, linear compound inequalities. So 3 linear equations, okay, 3 linear equations, and we need to graph and do an overlap on that. Okay, I'm going to snip this. Oh, I've already drawn all the lines, so that's pretty neat. I must have done that using some graphing program. Okay, so this is my equation. Let me start out with red. This is my equation, x minus 2y is less than 4. And when you've got these compound inequalities, you really want to write the equations down next to the lines or graphs that you are drawing. Okay. Then I have x is greater than 2. So here's my line, x is greater than 2. And the last one is y is less than 2. So here's my line, y is less than 2. So if you take a look at the shadings, this is the way it's going to be. So here's my line, y is less than 2. So my shadings are going to be below that line. I have x is greater than 2, which is what? Blue. So x is greater than 2, so it's going to be out here. And then start out with red, which is the same equation, x minus 2y is less than 4. And we agreed that it was going to be on this side here. So eventually what you want is you want one solid region, which is an overlap of all the regions. So it's this region here. Okay. Now the important thing about these compound linear inequalities, and we're going to see that in I think F2, which is linear programming, that it's made up of vertices defined by the intersections of the lines. So those are your vertices of the region that's going to satisfy all 3 inequalities. Okay. So that's how you graph compound inequalities. All right. So please make sure you follow the rules that if it's a strict inequality, you need to show it as dotted. Okay. Make sure your graphs are labeled, the equations are written on the graphs, shading is done for each region, and then the overlap region is done in some solid color. Okay. All right. So that's it for section F, which is really a review, Appendix F.1. Okay. All right, so I think I have all the lectures up there. I will have all the lectures up there later today. Okay.